still got a lot of areas. I went through it though.
Yep. Where's the problem is a lot of them are coming off they come off the tracks and they see it and they go slow and they come off, go right quick, real fast.
Yeah.
Mine actually focuses.
Hey, try to bring it in.
Huh?
I tried to.
Zooming in.
There you go.
Always a good time.
Oh yeah, school bus. It's not too deep because you can see the yellow line out there now.
Do it now!
Yeah, floor it. See, you're gonna make it lazy.
There comes Mr. Ford truck guy. He's like, get out of my way, god damn it.
These people don't understand. They try to get to the center of the street, thinking the street is bubbled and it's not. It's flat.
Yeah.
That one car is smart. Turn around.
There's one smart ass.
Look how he did. See? I've been all fucking day. Get in here.